Alright, fellas, what's going on? If you're looking at this, this is not my new whip. My neighbor's over there jamming, Latinos, and I'm a little sauce. So we got this from PickNPull. It's my children's mom's new whip. It's a Pontiac G6 2008. It was a smoker's vehicle, but it's the V6. It runs smooth. We've heard it runs smooth, but it does need some work. So, let me give you a quick rundown on what's going on with this and this project and why it's so important. Four-door sedan, automatic transmission, power locks. It does not have the key fob. I'll order one and replace it. Configure it. Or program it rather. I'll program the key fob. Replace it. Now, if you notice, as I pulled that, it didn't pop the hood. That's one thing that's got to get fixed. Along with a few other things. I'm actually going to go get the battery, because the difference between the 2006 and the 2008 G6 is the post. So the 2006 has side posts. 2008 have top posts. Let me give you some light. You see that V6, 3.5 liter V6 from GM, solid motor. I heard it run. The motor's smooth. Now, on this side, we're gonna need new belt, new idler pulley probably, new water pump for sure. I'm gonna check the hoses, make sure they're good. There's no coolant in the reservoir. This battery is trash from 2018. 4 years later, it's a PickNPull vehicle, but it came with a clean title. Runs smooth. I drove it home. Besides it just stopping on me because the battery was trash, and the alternator probably is bad, which it sits up here. So if we gotta do that, I'll show you guys how to do that. We'll pull the cover, change the alternator. Brakes need to be replaced. Water pump, flush the fluids, make sure the both fans work. The AC does work, so I think both fans work. AC blows cold. Does not have heat, so I think they bypassed the heater core. Of course, we're gonna go back here and check and make sure that's that. None of the push tabs this was going here for the front bumper up top or in here. We'll find out why this does not pop when the hood latch is pulled. So it's a lot of work that needs to be done. I thought this was a side post. It is not a side post. It needs top post because it's 2008. 2006 is different. But top post will work. Now it does have a CD player in here. It did not work. I think that's just because the battery was trash, or it's how they hooked it up. Because if I go in the trunk, see, it's JVC. Decent CD player. It's not gonna cut it because it doesn't have Bluetooth. You see, boom, hit that. Trunk did pop. But if you look at how they did the wires for the rear speakers, they were some rookies. They didn't really know what they were doing. I like my ish clean. I like my ish done right. So we're gonna get back here. We'll fix this. We'll actually replace this. This is the rear seat release. This was broken, so we'll probably pull this out, place that, and get another one like this. We'll probably place both of them just so this one doesn't break on me. But this is my four-way. These brakes, water pump, pulley, serpentine belt. The lights on the inside don't work. The dome light doesn't work, so we're gonna place that with LEDs. The front headlights are trash. They're the old yellow headlights. We're gonna place those with LEDs from superleds.com. Located, I think they're located in Oklahoma, and I rocks with them. Man, they deliver. They typically have every LED that you need. So we're gonna take this from old and busted to new and hotness. As far as all the components. I'll make sure it runs and drives very well. Make sure it stays cool. It doesn't overheat. Transmission seems solid. The motor is solid. It just needs all the ancillary stuff replaced. Brought up to snuff. Once I do that, because this is her car. This is in her name. Once I do that, she gets this. I get my Q50 back. We'll resume with the Q50. But this is the reminiscent of happier times in our marriage. Because I did have a silver one. It was a 2006 though. And yeah, it was nice. So I'll make sure everything works. Make sure everything's good. All the mirrors both work. The windows work. They go up and down like they're supposed to. No problem. Just have an issue with the battery. I think it's because the battery's old. It could be because of the alternator. We'll see. I'll do all the tests. We'll take our time filming all this. But this is Project Pick and Pull, aka get my Q50 back. Get her out of it. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned, fellas. We're gonna make sure we get. We'll film everything. We'll take our time with it. Do everything over time. Make sure everything's right. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's up to snuff. Because my kids will be sitting in this vehicle. I don't want nothing to happen to them for sure. You know what I'm saying? Not necessarily saying I don't want nothing to happen to their mama, but for the kids, for sure, I don't want nothing to happen to them. So I will show you everything. I will show you how to replace the headlights, the bulbs for the headlights, how to do the water pump, how to do the belt. If the alternator is bad, how to do the alternator. Dome light LEDs, how to order those and all that stuff, man. And we'll get this up to snuff. It was a smoker's car, so she's gonna have to clean the interior. I'm gonna leave that to her to do. She's gonna pay for the major parts, but yeah, I'm gonna do my thing and we'll make this a nice run and drive car and make it do what it do. So hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. The notification bell so you know next time I drop a video. Peace.